Okay. So now we're doing data protection strategies. Step number 1, we have to connect with ACIWI 11 and then select File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to this PC and then click Documents and then click Module 10 folder and then navigation path here. Where? Diba? Type natin dito CMB. Press enter. Okay. And then type natin dito echo space. Oh, sorry. It's not working. Kaya naman dalawa. Okay. This is a new file. New file.txt. Enter. Type cipher space slash C users administrator documents module underscore 10 underscore folder new file dot txt. Press enter. Okay. And then restore this. Restore the File Explorer window from the taskbar. Observe that new file.txt file has a lock on its icon, indicating the file has been encrypted. Okay. Punta ulit tayo sa this PC. Documents. And then right-click natin yung Module 11. And then select, Properties. And then select Advanced. And then check box next to encrypt contents to secure data and then click OK. Click OK. Click OK. And then double click daw itong module 11 folder. And then select view. Mm. And then select extra large. And then, and observe with the extra large icons that there is a lock. There is a lock on each of the files indicating they are encrypted. And then close na natin yung File Explorer. Okay, nandito na ulit tayo sa ACIWI. Select na ulit natin itong File Explorer. Next na natin ito. Punta ulit sa this PC. And then, click AC here. And then, after that, click natin yung module 9. Tama ba? Or balik tayo. Ang gagawin natin, bakit dalawa sa kanila? So, dito, i-type ulit natin si MB. And enter. Okay. Mali. Pala punta tayo sa folder. And then, type na natin dito si MB. So, type certutil dash hash file counter.js md enter. Okay. Ano ulit natin? Certutil hash live. Ay, sorry. Hash file counter.js SHA-1 enter. Okay. Certutil hash file counter.js SHA-256 enter. Okay. Then observe the output of each hashing algorithm is a different length. The output length is of MD5. Of MD5 is 128 bits. The output length is SHA-1 is 160 bits. And the output length of SHA-256 is 256 bits. And then close command prompt. Okay. Then close the File Explorer. Connect tayo sa ACI Kali. Oh, kailangan ng password. Punta tayo sa Terminal Emulator. Type natin cd documents